All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a market review. Today was a bit of a boring day, I'm not gonna lie. Um, there wasn't much. Um, yeah, I mean, Sunday opened, left this fucking massive. I can't see it on this, but basically, like, left this big gap thing. Fucking new day opening gap. We ended up filling it overnight. And then, like, if we're looking at the higher time frame, there's not much going on. We're actually like in a pretty nasty range right now. Um, but yeah, so I mean, higher time frame, there wasn't much. We're not delivering out of anything really. Literally the last thing we're delivering out of was, I think, this down here out of the 4 hour. I don't even know if this is considered like a gap. But either way, we're not really delivering anything, but like, there's nothing to the downside, so I was just bullish today. And I feel like everybody else was. If you weren't bullish, you're kind of fucking stupid, I feel like. But yeah. So anyways, 1 hour. I mean, I guess we're delivering out of this 1 hour, and then yeah. But I don't know, it's kind of weird. There was a 1 hour here that we inversed, and then we re-inversed it. So I don't know. Price was just bullish to me. Like, personally, I think price was just bullish. I wasn't really expecting anything to go lower, so I was not looking for shorts at all. What do we have? We had a 15-minute ITL here, and then up here was a 15-minute ITL, and there was nothing else. There's actually literally nothing else. We inversed all these gaps, and there was nothing here. So my targets for the day was like these highs here. I guess London too. So like these highs here, these highs here, all that. Yeah, and then what happened here? Yeah. So either way, market opens up. What do? We manipulated down to here. There's this 15-minute gap. I believe it was also like 5 minute and all that. So either way, we go down. This was the trade I saw most people take. So you traded down here, 9:30 manipulation at open. So we came down, swept these lows, whatever, and then fucking tap the retap the 15-minute. There was a 30-second inversion, break even at the high. Some people got stopped out. Some people didn't go break even and TP'd at the 15-minute ITL high there. But yeah, like, that was really the only trade I saw. The reason I didn't take this was solely because if you look at ES, where was open? That's 10 a.m. Yeah, so if you look at ES, we had the same 15-minute gap, right? We didn't have SMT because the previous candle on NQ also tapped 15 here. And then 9:30 opens, right? We come down, sweep. What did ES do? It did not manipulate into anything. So if you know about 15-minute, 30-minute, and 4-hour opens, you know that price will open up, which is like the accumulation, right? Manipulate into some sort of PD array, and then distribute. Well, for true manipulation, you need both assets to do that. This, not to say that this will, like, just because I was so bullish and I feel like everybody else was, I still think this wasn't a terrible trade. The only thing was it lacked manipulation. That's the only thing. I don't think it was a bad trade. But personally, I faded it just because of that. There's no manipulation on ES. And also something about trading open, like 9:30 open. Yo, you can get fucking manipulated so hard, bro. Like, I've been played like crazy trying to trade them at 9:30 open. But either way, at this point, we took this 15-minute, we fucking inversed it. And then what happened? I wanted I wanted these highs here, and then I even wanted like these highs here. So I was still bullish. I was like, all right, I will take a continuation. Fuck it, right? So, I think there was like at first, since we were coming out of this 15 minute, this 5 minute was sponsored. I was hoping we would tap that and keep going, but fucking edged it. And then the 15 minute opened up, and I was still looking for long, so wait for a tap. Guess what? Fucking NQ literally leaves. So ES manipulated into it, which is nice. But if NQ went in and took the gap, it left equal lows. So it edged by the like to the tick. I think we could have got a nice entry out of this if it tapped it. But yeah, then we kind of just, I don't know what the fuck the rest of AM was. Like just purely just slowly moving up higher. But yeah, no, that was pretty much it for today. There wasn't much. There was just that one trade. The other trade I did see that people I think took was let me think here. I think it was when they took previous day high or previously high, whatever the fuck, like previous day high, and there was like a 30-second inversion right here, and that was a terrible trade. That was like pure fucking that was pure pattern trading. It was terrible. I'm pretty sure that's what some people took. They took a 30-second. I think it was this one right here. I think it was right here, yeah. Which was terrible trade. If you fucking took that, you need to study like ASAP. That was not a good trade. And then the rest, yeah, there was nothing else. I even saw some people take this trade out I wanted without actually tapping NQ's 50-minute gap. I don't fucking do that. Some people do. I don't think that was smart because you just left equal lows. But yeah, like wasn't really expecting much from today. We have FOMC on Wednesday, and we have no news today and tomorrow, so kind of was expecting it to be kind of slow. I don't know, maybe, just maybe, tomorrow we get a nice expansion move. And if we do get an expansion move, it's probably going to be to the upside. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's, today was definitely not a day. Like, if you took no trades today, like, congrats, you did the right thing. You shouldn't be mad about not taking that 30-second or anything else, really, for that matter, you know. But yeah, man, this was kind of brutal. Like past like week, price just fucking soars, does not retrace, takes our targets, fucking just like fucks with us. Like, it's literally been the same cycle over and over again, just getting fucking touched in the market, not giving us anything, because it just like it'll give us one mid setup that I'll fade because it's like it's not great, and then it will rip or dump with no retrace. Like, it's ridiculous. But yeah, no, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully we come back tomorrow, fucking get a nice trade. I would like to take a dub, as like first trade would be a dub for this what's it called, this week. That would be nice. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.